My dear students, already we have completed 3 lessons in geography. Now I am going to take geography map. First we will see the Western Ghats. See, Western Ghats starts from here till the tip of southern India. See, Western Ghats, here you have to shade it continuously because this is a continuous range of mountain. So you have to shade it continuously till the tip of South India. Next, Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats starts from here. It is a discontinuous range of mountain. So you have to mark discontinuously up to here. So this is Eastern Ghats. This is Western Ghats. Okay. Then we will see Andaman Nicobar Islands. This one is Andaman Nicobar Islands. This one is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep. Recall it. This is Western Ghats. This is Eastern Ghats, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep. Then Gulf of Mannar. See here, Gulf of Mannar down this tip is called Gulf of Mannar. Here you have to mark Gulf of Mannar, and in between India and Sri Lanka you have to put 2 lines and mark it as Park Strait. Park Strait. Here Park Strait, in between India and Sri Lanka, Park Strait. This one is Gulf of Mannar. Next, this area till here is called Ganga Plain. Ganga Plain. Ganga river is flowing through this way and flow into Bay of Bengal. This is a Ganga Plain. Also Ganga Plateau. This is here Ganga river, Ganga Plain, alluvial soil plain and Ganga Plateau. Next one. This is Aravalli range of mountains. Here Aravalli range of mountains. Then in India there is only one desert, that is Thar Desert. This area receives only below 25 centimeter rainfall per year. This is Thar Desert. What I told, this is Aravalli range of mountain. The highest peak in Aravalli range is Mount Abu, otherwise called Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar. The highest peak in Aravalli range is Mount Abu, is called, otherwise called Guru Shikhar. Then we will see the rivers. Here, from here till here, if you put line, this is river Narmada. This is best flowing river. Narmada, river Narmada. Below that, this is also a west flowing river, river Tapti. Next we will come down. See, already we have seen the Western Ghats and this one is Eastern Ghats. Now the plains, coastal plains of Western Ghats is called West Coastal Plains. Coastal Plains. The Western Ghats comes here. The coastal plains at the end of the land area touching the sea is called coastal plains. This is on the western side, so this is called West Coastal Plain. Same on the eastern side, the land touching the sea is called East Coastal Plain. Okay, this is northern coastal plain and this one is eastern coastal. Upper side of western coastal plain is called Konkan coast. The southern part of western coastal plain is called Malabar coast. Are you clear? This is western coastal plain. If we divide the western coastal plain by 2, the northern side is called Konkan coast. The southern side is called Malabar coast. Now we will come to the east. If we divide the eastern coastal plain by 2, the northern side of eastern coastal plain is called Northern Circus. Northern Circus from here to here, and the southern side of eastern coastal plain is called Coromandel coast. From here up to here, this is Coromandel coast. This is Northern Circus. Now we will come to plateaus. So this side is called, this area is called Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. This area is called Deccan Plateau, and this one, the center of India, Tropic of Cancer crosses the central part of India, Tropic of Cancer. Above Tropic of Cancer is Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau. Next we will come to peaks. The highest peak in Tamil Nadu is Dotabetta here. Dotabetta. Highest peak in Tamil Nadu is Dotabetta. The highest peak in southern India. Highest peak in southern India is Anamudi. Please note it down, man. Both are peaks. Dotabetta and Anamudi are peaks. Dotabetta is in Tamil Nadu and Anamudi is in Kerala. So if the point, you have to see the point, what is asked. If the peak, the highest peak in Tamil Nadu is mentioned, you have to answer Dotabetta. If the question is highest peak in southern India is Anamudi. Next we will come here. Here Mount K2. If you mark here Mount K2. Below that is Mount Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat. Here K2. And below that is a peak, it's a mountain, Nanga Parbat. After that, if you come over here, if you mark a triangle shape that denotes mountain, that is Nanda Devi mountain. Nanda Devi mountain here. After that, Dhaulagiri. Here, Dhaulagiri. And very important is Mount Everest. Mount Everest here. So we will recall once again. Mount K2 is here. Below that Nanga Parbat. When you come here, Nanda Devi, and here Dhaulagiri, and a very important mountain is Mount Everest, which is the world's highest peak. Then already you know this is Indian Ocean, this is Bay of Bengal, and this one is Arabian Sea. Then We have seen Narmada river and Tapti river. Next important one is Brahmaputra river. See, Brahmaputra river starts from Himalayas and runs through Tibet. After that, it enters into Assam in India and joins with Ganga river and flow into Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra river starts from Himalaya, and when it runs through Tibet, its name is Sangpo. The Brahmaputra river is called Sangpo in Tibet. When it enters into India, its name is Brahmaputra, and it joins with Ganga river and flow into Bay of Bengal. The place where the Ganga river and Brahmaputra joins forms Sundarbans. Here, Sundarbans. Okay, students, we will see the other important places in the next part. Thank you. My dear students, now we are going to see history map. This map is in third lesson. Okay, World War II. So in a history map, only two maps will be asked. One is world map and other one is India map. Either one will be asked, either world map or India map. Now we will see world map. The important places in the world map. First one, USSR. Here, if you mark here USSR, then below that, above India is China. Here, China. Next, on the left of China, here some islands are there. This is Japan. These islands are Japan. See, Hiroshima is here and Nagasaki is down to Hiroshima. Both are in Japan only, where America bombed atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima first and Nagasaki second. So this places is very important, will be asked. Next we will move on to here. This is India, you know. Below that Indian Ocean is there, and then we'll come here. Here, if you mark here, this is France. France. And little above France is Germany. Germany. This is France. Little above, if you mark here, this is Germany. And see this island, like this is Great Britain. Great Britain, England, both are same. The England will be called in both the names, Great Britain or England or UK. Then if you come across Germany, little above is Austria-Hungary. If you mark here, Austria-Hungary. Then on the left of Austria-Hungary, if you mark here, this is Moscow. Moscow. If you mark here, Moscow. Moscow is the capital of USSR. Right. Next, we will come here. See, this is this part and this part. It belongs to USA. USA, you can mark here, also here. Both are USA. And see the belly like structure, if you mark here, is San Francisco. If you mark here, this is San Francisco. Then left to this is some islands there. This is Hawaii Islands. Hawaii Islands. And here is North Pacific Ocean. And down to here, Hawaii is South Pacific Ocean. Now are you clear? May I recall once again? See, this both are USA. This one is Canada. And if you mark here, this is San Francisco and island Hawaii Island. Then above Hawaii Island, if you mark here, this is North Pacific Ocean. Below Hawaii Island, this is South Pacific Ocean. And here, if you mark here, this is France. Above France is Germany. And little above Germany is Austria-Hungary here. And here Moscow. Here Russia, China. And this whole of this island is Japan. In that, if you mark northern Japan, if you mark above is Hiroshima and below that is Nagasaki. Then this one is Indian Ocean and this one is England, Great Britain, UK. All are same. England, Great Britain, UK. All are same. Okay. Then Morocco. If you mark here, this is Morocco. Is in Brazil. Morocco. Then the hand-like structure below France. See here, hand-like structure is called Italy. This is Italy. And down to that Italy, see here, if you mark in this tip is called Greece. Greece. So France, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Moscow, USSR, China. This one is Japan. In that we have Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Indian Ocean, India, China. Then if you come here, Morocco. Then both are USA. Then Pacific Ocean, Hawaii Island. This is South Pacific Ocean. That's all. We will see in the next class. Thank you.